In previous session, I talked about how to make a list. In this session, I'm going to show how to slice and dice a list. Here is an example. We have a list named animals, including different types of data. Let's first ask Python to print out the list values. You see the elements? Then we ask it to print out or subset some elements or values. Print animals. The corresponding value of index, let's say 0. Remember, for Python list, the number of index starts from 0. So kangaroo, in this example, it has an index of 0. And it continues with 1, 2, and so on. And I put another comment before I run the code. And animals. And then let's say -1. This is an important index, -1. It gives us the last element. We don't need to count element numbers in this case. So if we put -1, we get the last element. And prints animals, let's say 5. And we run the code. You see, first element is or element corresponding to the value corresponding to index 0 is kangaroo. Corresponding to index -1 is false, which is the last element, and 5 is this element, true. Now let's slice the element, the list. Print animals. To make a slice, you put a bracket and then you add some initial value and a final value index. Let's say from index 1 to index 5. Remember, it includes the value for index 1, but not the value for index 5. So it includes 3, but doesn't include true. Let's run the code, and you see 3 is included, but stops 1 before true. Another kind of slicing is, let's say, animals and bracket 1, 2. This means 1 to whatever elements or values. We keep it blank. It means to whatever after index 1 value. Sorry, I put it wrong, animals. And you get corresponding value of index 1 to rest of the elements. And we can do it in a reverse direction. So if we say animals, keep it blank, and we ask, for example, let's say 4. And remember, it doesn't include the values for index 4. Index 4 is 1. So it stops 1 before index 4. Okay, in this session, I talked about subsetting, slicing, and dicing lists in Python. On next session, I'm going to teach how manipulate lists or how to apply some common functions to lists. Thank you.